I'm going to start off by applying this base. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It is a really nice hydrating primer, especially under a matte foundation like this. I'm using Frankie Rose matte foundation in the shade Olive. I am applying it with one of these brushes because I want to get it evenly on my face, and then I will go in with the damp beauty blender and blend it into my skin. Next, I'm going to go in and conceal and highlight under the eye area, forehead, and chin. I'm using Milani Cosmetics Longwear Conceal and Perfect. This is in the shade Light Beige. Again, I'm going to be blending this out with my damp beauty blender. Gonna set everything with my favorite translucent powder. This is from Too Faced, Born This Way. I love this powder. It never over dries or makes me look cakey. It has coconut water in it, so it's nice for that extra hydration under the eye area. My eye primer is going to be from P. Louise Base. This is in the shade Rumor 2. I love applying this with a brush and then directly just put the eyeshadows on top. You don't need to set it or anything. For today's eyes, I'm going to use the Boss Babe Betty from Buxom Cosmetics. Thank you so much for sending me this. It's gorgeous. I'm going to go in with the shade called Work, and I'm just applying that with a, it's more of like a dense shader brush, and I'm just really packing the color right here on the outer corner. I'm going to apply this lighter color. It is called Invite Only with a larger, fluffier brush, and just sweeping that into the crease and making sure everything is blended out. Going in with that same dark shade that we used, I'm just going to intensify the outer corner, making it darker, kind of creating that cat eye effect. You really can't make any mistakes when using these shades because they are all similar tones, and so they just blend really great together. I'm going to go in with Cashmere Craving, and I'm just highlighting the brow bone area as well as blending it out with that large fluffy brush. For the lid colors, I'm going to go in with Upgrade. I did wet my brush, and I'm just applying that kind of in the middle of the lid. I'm also going to go in with another shade called Gold Status and mix them both together, but right now I'm just packing this on first. It is more of like a glittery but not too chunky, so I mean it's a really nice pretty shimmery shade. Here is the shade that I was talking about. I'm gonna mix both of them, and I'm kind of keeping Gold Status more in the inner corner, and then like I said, giving it that nice ombre look. I'm going to take a small blending brush and just apply Work again into the outer corner and crease. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes. You don't have to do the false lashes if you don't want to. This mascara is great for lengthening and volumizing. My lashes are kind of long because I have been using Rapid Lash Growth Serum. It's amazing, but I still like my dramatic eye look. I'm going to apply this to the waterline. This is not an eyeliner, but I use it as an eyeliner. It's actually like a brow highlighting pen, but it's great for the waterline. Look how bright my under eyes look. I'm just going to blend and smoke out the lower lash line with the same shades that I used in the crease.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Just going to grab this shade right here quick and just pop some in the outer corners for that extra highlight. I'm going to finish off the rest of my face, dusting off any excess powder that I have that I set my face with, and then I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzing Powder. I love this bronzer. This brush is from Morphe. It is the M523, and it's kind of like a small, dense bronzer brush, so that's why I like it for the cheekbone area, because it really just defines my cheekbones. I'm going to use the same matte bronzer to kind of contour my forehead a little bit and nose, jawline, just kind of bring warmth back into my face. For blush, I'm going to use this Buxom blush. It's called Wanderlust. It is a primer infused blush, which basically means it just has primer built into it, so it's going to last all day. It smells so good. It smells like coconuts, and it smells like, you know, when you put on self-tanner at the beach. That's what it smells like. So yummy. For highlight, I'm going to go in with an oldie but a goodie. I found it in my drawer. It's from Wet n Wild. It's a highlighting powder. It's called Precious Petals. I'm going to mattify my lips a little bit so I can apply my lip liner and lip gloss. I'm going to go with this one. It is Dolly Danger, and I'm just going to fill in my lips and overline them. And then also for the gloss, I'm going to use Dolly. And that completes this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.